There are lots of ways to protect your skin from the sun. Hats, umbrellas, umbrella hats. But no matter your style, you should always accessorize with sunscreen too. Always. It's important year-round, and especially during the summer. The days are longer and the sun is stronger. But choosing the right sunscreen can get a little slippery. So, here are some rules to keep in mind when shopping for sunscreen. First, make sure to read the label. There are lots of colorful bottles and beachy smells, but some won't provide the protection you really need. Look for sunscreen with broad spectrum protection. Okay, quick lesson. The sun emits ultraviolet or UV rays, which include UVA rays, which cause skin cells to age, and long-term damage, and UVB rays, which affect the DNA in skin cells and cause sunburns. UVA and UVB rays both can cause skin cancer, with UVB as the main culprit. Broad-spectrum sunscreen protects against both. Okay, so that's one thing to check the label for. But also pay attention to SPF, or sun protection factor. As a rule, make sure your sunscreen has an SPF of 30 or higher. This number indicates the level of protection against UVB rays. Sunscreens with an SPF lower than 15 are required to include a warning that they only protect against sunburn, not skin cancer or aging. Oh, and don't forget to check the expiration date. Sunscreen is usually good for 2 to 3 years, but it does become less effective over time. Speaking of becoming less effective, if you're splashing, swimming, or even just sweating, remember that water-resistant doesn't mean waterproof. Sunscreen naturally comes off, especially if you're active. Read the label, but a good rule is to reapply sunscreen at least every 2 hours. Rub in at least a palmful of lotion to cover the entire body. Or if using a spray-on sunscreen, make sure to hit all exposed skin areas. Look out for your lips too. Buy some lip balm with SPF. Remember, there is no sunscreen that will protect you completely. Grab some shade and dress smart too. Some clothing items even use fabric with a UV protection factor, or UPF. The higher the UPF number, the higher the protection. But no matter your fashion sense, sunscreen is always the perfect accessory.